I haven't done one of these in a while. My mommy sent me a Christmas present. It is a heavy package.
Huh?
It's a McDonald's puzzle games, and it's all wrapped all nice and pretty. This is like packed. Ooh, it's a hidden pad. Anal. Ooh, this sounds like medicine. Medicine. Is it not medicine? It is! That's Excedrin for my headaches. Because I got a lot of headaches. Thank you, Mom. Dear Keegan, you've been very good. With love from Santa Claus. I don't think Mom sent me this. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's cute. What's this? Ooh, don't drop. What's this? It's a fucking pepper! Is there anything else?
Twist, 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 twist.
It's food Christmas ornaments. I love it. And it's a carrot! Oh my god, I love these. Thank you. Thank you, Santa. Wait, there's one more. And it's grapes! That is cute. I like those. Thank you. Ooh, one of my puffy inhalers, like ones instead of the ones that I have to crack open and fucking pop a pill. It's Sour Patch Kids. Hell yeah. Thank you, Mom. This sounds like more Sour Patch Kids. It's coal. I got coal for Christmas. It sounds like chocolate. Oh, what? I'm surprised none of these came broken. Candy cane spoons for my autistic pleasures. Oh, it's a mason jar. Oh, it's a mason jar full of candy. Deluxe travel mug and beverage set. Oh, it's not candy, it's tea and hot cocoa. What kind of tea? Ooh, it's one of those mason jars. I like those ones. Those ones are my favorites. What kind of tea? Got some hot cocoa. Oh, this is one of my favorite teas. They're so fucking good. I asked my mom, I'm obsessed with tea. Irish breakfast. Lady Grey and Earl Grey. Two of my other favorites. An English breakfast. Oh my god. A whole bag of candy. Crackle nail polish. Squishies. Fucking a lighter. Oh my god. Let me take that out. A lighter. Some... This is Nutter Butter, but Christmas. There's candy, some mini lipsticks. Is that more tea? No, actually, that's eyelid washer. Might all definitely fucking need one of those. I'm about to start my period soon, so definitely. Oh, there's something wrapped in here. Oh, that sounds like a kaleidoscope. Like one of the OG kaleidoscopes. It's in a... Oh my god, it has a fucking butthole. It has a butthole. I don't know what kind of animal it is, but it has a butthole. These are wrapped in aluminum. Oh, tea lights! Motherfucking tea lights! Some Hello Kitty wrapping paper. Cute. I love Hello Kitty. Ew, more candles. That one smells nice. And this looks like some loafing. Ah. Ooh, cleanser. The face cleanser? Ooh, not only that, white water foaming cleanser. It is a face cleanser, hell yeah. I can't. What's this? Oh, is that like a bandage? Oh no, it's an actual bandage. Sticky too. Nice. Got 2 of them. Thank you, Mom. This feels squishy. Oh shit, it's a customizable front panel. It comes with bandages and topicals, alcohol, prep pads, antibiotic ointment, antiseptic wipes, fabric fingertip bandages. Oh yeah. Oh shit, I can draw on it. It's purple. Cute. No equipment. Thank you.